So this is the third video. This will be the final video depending. So this is our trick word review video. The pink words are our trick words. And when we review our trick words, we say them, we read them, and we spell them. So essentially this is just a drill video where I literally will hold up the card, the. You say the, T-H-E, the. And then we move on. Originally in class, when we learn a new trick word, we would write it in our journal, we would practice it in sentences, things like that. But because we're short on time and I'm short on materials, we're not going to do that. So this is just basically a flashcard video. I'll hold it up, you say it, we'll move on to the next one. Parents, this is a mixture of the high frequency words, sight words, things like that. So if you want to continue this review, just Google words like first grade sight words, second grade sight words. The more the merrier, quite honestly, because we need to know them all eventually. And if you still have the list from the letter I gave in the beginning of the year, even better because they're right there for you. But during times like this, Google will be a good support. So I'm not going to do all of them because there's a lot, and quite honestly, we've actually almost done them all in class with where we are in our manual. So I'm going to do a few key ones if it's an easier one. So for example, if it was like her, I'd probably just read it, her, and put it away, or I might just skip it altogether. So that's my plan for this video. Okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Remember, I'm going to read the word. We're going to spell it, you repeat it, and we move on. Okay? Over. O-V-E-R, over. Number. N-U-M-B-E-R, number. I know in class a lot of you like to point out there's that E-R, that R-controlled vowel. Say, S-A-Y, say. Says, S-A-Y-S, says. I'm going to skip this one. Between, B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Here's that vowel team, E-E. Between, between. Each, E-A-C-H, each. So in this word, we have the E-A vowel team and the C-H digraph. Each. Any, A-N-Y, any. Many, M-A-N-Y, many. For this sound card, so what do you notice between these two words? A-N-Y, any, is in both of them. So this is another good example of when you look for words you know within a word. How, H-O-W, how. Now, N-O-W, now. Down, D-own, down, D-O-W-N, down. Skip this one. About, A-B-O-U-T, about. So this card was out. This card is about. What do you notice about these two words? They both have out, O-U-T, out. This is why you don't work from home. There's like sounds everywhere. Sorry about that. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. This is one that we need to memorize, that we need to remember how to spell. So let's do it again. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Other. O-T-H-E-R. Other. Another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. So again, these are two words where one of them is in the other. You have other in both of these words. This will be our last card. None. N-O-N-E. None. So that leaves this video at 6 minutes, which I think is plenty long enough. So if you would like me to make another video reviewing more of these sounds and more of these words and cards and things like that, I can do so. Otherwise, in the meantime, use this video, review this video, and remember, Google's your friend. So Google first grade sight words, first grade trick words, Fundations, and see what resources pop up. That could be beneficial. Also, I know we don't use Teacher Pay Teacher at school for instructional purposes, but if you want to go ahead and use Teacher Pay Teacher, you make an account, it's free. There are free resources on there, free worksheets. So if there is something on there that you want your child to do, you can go ahead and do that. It is not mandatory, and I do not necessarily recommend paying money for anything. But there are some free resources that could be useful and good practice during this time. Again, we don't use those things for instructional purposes at school, but to use it at home for practice and things like that could be beneficial. So just let me know. I'm available through email anytime, so if you need anything or extra resources, I'm here. All this week. Next week, it's spring break, so I won't be as available, but I'm around if you have any questions or want extra materials. Alright, so everyone have a great day, and that wraps up videos 1, 2, and 3.